Hello everyone, this is Shivani. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explain how to create APK in Android Studio. So let's start. First of all, there are three ways to run Android app in our device. The first is using USB cable, that we can directly connect our device through USB, and with the help of this run button we can directly run our Android app in Android device. The another way is to create build APK and install that APK file in your phone to install the app. So I will show you how to create build APK. For that you need to go to build, click on build bundles, click on build APK. So the APK is processing. Once it will finish, it will show one pop-up where there will be option for locate. If we click on locate button, it will navigate us to that file location where the APK has created. This build APK you can't upload on Google Play Store. This is only for testing purpose. Once it created, you can just copy paste the APK in your device and you can directly install from that APK file, but you can't upload it on Google Play Store. Here our APK is generated, and on click of locate it will navigate to the location of our APK. So I will click here. Here this APK is generated now. So you can rename this or you can remain it as it is. I will give name here as build APK. So for installing the app, you just have to copy paste this APK file in your device and you can install directly from this build APK. Now we will move towards the signed APK. So to create signed APK, we need to go to build, generate signed APK, click here and select Android app bundle, click on next. Here we have to give the key store path. Here I have already created the key. So create new, you have to click on create new. You have to select the path from here. I have created one folder as a Play Store. So I want my key store path in this folder. So I will select this folder. I will give some file name, signed APK key. The key is in JKS format, so it will remain same. Click on OK. Here you have to provide one password for key. I will give one password here. Give your confirm password. Here you can give alias name to your key. I will give here as APK key. You can give any alias name to your key. Again you have to give here password. From these fields you have to fill at least one field. Here I will give my first name and last name. You can give any, you can give, if you are working for any organization, you can give here your organization name, you can mention the city or locality. I have only given first name and last name. After that click on OK. Here all the information is set here now. Click on next. Select here release because we want to upload this APK on Google Play Store. Click on finish. Now the processing is start now. So once it created, it will show here. So click on locate to navigate the location. Our signed APK is generated now. You can rename it. You can give date so that you will able to remember that when you have created. Like this you can do, and for uploading on Google Play Store you have to use this APK. I hope you understand all the explanation about APK, and the difference between build APK and signed APK is build APK is only for testing purpose. We can't upload it on Google Play Store. To upload it on Google Play Store we need to create signed APK for that. Thank you for watching. If you find this video is helpful for you, please share with your friends who want to learn Android. Thank you for watching.